was referred by my dentist. I had a root removed from one of my front teeth, and she wasn't quite sure what to do, whether we should have a bridge or an implant. And so she recommended I come to your office. I did. I had some concerns from time to time. I've had quite a bit of dental work, and some of it wasn't as comfortable, and I was not quite sure what I was going to get. So I wanted somebody who could give me the whole scenario and let us pick what was best. And I felt like I had a lot of confidence here, where in other places I didn't have that confidence. Well, I was really impressed with the initial meeting with him and the professionalism and the way he showed everything that was going to happen and gave me two options, and we discussed it till we felt comfortable, both he and I, with what we chose. And then I was really appreciative of how he was patient and made tiny changes along the way with the temporaries until he got it dialed in, and it's just lovely now. So working with him was a really great experience. Oh, I definitely recommend your office. It's one of the best places I've been for dental care. So yes, I'd wholeheartedly recommend Dr. Gurney.